Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can view how much time you've been spending on your apps and phone every day. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to view or monitor how much time you've been spending on your phone, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to your phone settings. After you opened your phone settings, next, scroll down until you find the digital well-being and parental controls. Once you've found it, go and tap it. And then after that, you will now be able to see the total amount of time you've spent on your phone for this day right here. And if you also want to see how much time you're spending on the apps on your phone, just tap this. And after that, scroll down and then you will now be able to see the time you've spent on the apps on your phone. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.